Today I got this beautiful sablefish, which is also called Black Cod, from the state of Alaska. It came to me all the way from a small fisherman's family. They catch the fish, pack and ship overnight to your home. If you never tried Black Cod, I encourage you to do that. It will quickly become your favorite fish. You can cook it in a lot of different ways, but today we will be smoking it. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Step number 1. You need to prepare the fish the day before smoking. Cut fillet in large pieces about 2 inches. Mix salt, sugar and garlic powder. Cover the fish very well with the mix on all the sides. Put it into the airtight container for 12 hours in the fridge. After, rinse salt mix from the fish with the cold water, wipe it dry with the paper towel and put it back in the fridge for a few hours. Step number 2. Get your smoker ready. I'm using an electric smoker for this video. This should, however, make no difference. You can use any other smoking devices you might have. I'm using cherry wood chips. You can also try apple, alder, maple, hickory or any other you would like as well. Set your smoker at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, glaze the fish with honey. And send it to the smoker for 3 hours. It could be less, 2–2.5 hours, depending on how large the fish is. And make sure you reglaze every hour. Amazing smell of the smoked fish woke up all my neighbors. After 3 hours, it's ready. Dust it with a sweet paprika and either put it in the fridge or eat it warm. It goes really well by itself, in a salad, with potatoes or in a breakfast bagel. Please leave comments if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.